How to fix: please check your credit or debit card information and try again on PS5. So yesterday I was trying to purchase a game and it kept giving me that error. Now, why do you get this error with your card even though you are 100% certain you're writing your card info correctly? So basically how this works: if the card uses a different currency, so here as you can see I have my currency set as euro. If your card is located in a different region compared to the currency which your PlayStation region uses, it will not go through. So I was trying to pay in my American account. So here, if I go into settings, users, I was using my account. Let me just change it. So I'm gonna switch user. Okay, net help. So basically I was trying to use my European card to pay for a thing on the American version of the PlayStation Store. So here you can see my currency is going to be dollars, and it didn't let me use my card. However, when I switched over to my user who uses euros, it let me purchase or make the purchase without any issues. So that's basically why your card isn't working on the PlayStation network. Hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.